Today we got the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, and normally I'll be really excited to get my hands on some new Galaxy Buds, but Samsung been moving funny this year and I don't like it. But anyway, let's jump into this unboxing. Perfect. Okay, so here they are, the Galaxy Buds Pro. Samsung been on a roll recently because they just released the Galaxy Buds Live not too long ago, and now here they go with the Pro. I'm not complaining because the Buds has been my favorite headphones over the last few years, so I'm ready to jump into these. But anyway, these will run you $199. They come in 3 colors. You got the Phantom Violet, you got the Phantom Silver, and the Phantom Black, which is ones I have right here. I would have jumped on the violet color, but when I ordered mine, I got mine from Best Buy and they didn't have the violet at that time. I'm stop saying violet, purple. I don't know, I don't like violet. I'm just say purple. They didn't have the purple at the time. I would have grabbed those, but all they had was the black ones, so I just grabbed the black ones. So here they are right here. They have 5 hours of battery life and 18 hours with the case. They IPX7 water resistant, so you can put them underwater up to 3 feet for 30 minutes. So that means you can work out with these, you can sweat with these, you can walk in the rain with these, however you want it, whatever floats your boat. You can get these wet and they'll be just fine. They have some new speakers and I'm ready to check that out. Got an active noise cancellation. They didn't have those in the Galaxy Buds Plus. They did have them in the Galaxy Buds Live, but it was completely useless, so you might well say they wasn't in the Buds Live. They have improved sound quality. They got 11mm woofer and a 6.5mm tweeter. Also has a new auto switch feature, which switch the audio from, if you got another Samsung device, it'll switch from like your S21 to your Galaxy Tab. I don't have any other Samsung devices right now to test that out with, but when I do, I'm probably test it out. It also has voice detect, where if you start talking, if you listen to music and you start talking, it would automatically lower the volume and switch to ambient, so you can hear what's going on around you. If you're talking to someone else or someone is talking to you, you can hear what they're saying without taking your earbuds out. That's a cool new feature, but once again, that's only available with Samsung devices. What else? We also have the new Audio 360, similar to the 3D audio from the AirPods Pro. It's something similar where you get that 360 audio with the Galaxy Buds, but that's again another feature that's only available for Samsung devices. That's kind of like why I'm not really too excited with these, because I like the Galaxy Buds so much because I could use them with any device. I could use them with iPhones, I could use them with the computer, I can use them with the Galaxy phones, OnePlus phones. No matter what phone I use, I'm gonna get all the same features. But this year, Samsung decided to limit all of like the new features to just Samsung devices, but I'm not about to go on a rant with that. But that's kind of like, I just want to give you that input about why I felt the way I did and why I'm not so excited about these, because I feel like they just really just limit them just Samsung devices. And I switch phones all the time. I'm not always using a Samsung phone, but I always use the Buds. So all right, enough of that. Let's open this box out and take a look at these. Got 2 little plastic slabs, gonna slit right here, slit right here. All right, open them up. Got your books at the top. What we have in here? All right, just your normal books. Quick start guide. We won't be needing those. Kind of show you kind of a little diagram of how you put your earbuds in and twist it to lock it in. That's cool. We already know how to do that. So here goes the Buds. Oh, I definitely like this case. The case is tough. Got this little matte black going. It's using the same case as the Live, but instead of using that glossy black, it's using the matte black. You kind of see example here. It's like you see these are the Buds Live case is glossy, but the Buds Pro is matte, which looks way, way better. You gotta worry about no fingerprints or whatever. I'm gonna put this to the side to see what else we have in here first before we open those up. All right, what's in here? Got the charging cable. This is regular USB. Oh, let me try to show it. Oh, so we got regular USB to USB-C, and this, I believe these are The extra air tips. All right, so yeah, so these are the extra air tips. Probably gonna need some of those. We're gonna play with it to make sure we get the right fit. What else we got in the box? Nothing else. No charging bricks. All right, so let's just slide this to the side real quick and open up the buds and see what they look like. All right. So they do have a little bit of a different design from the Galaxy Buds Plus. I don't know. They look pretty much the same, but it's slightly different. They still look cool. Like I said, still look really cool. But the case is definitely the same case as the Buds Live, or the Bean, if you want to call them the Bean case. They're the same status light in the middle. But I like this case way better than this like pill-shaped case. I mean, these still my favorite colors, and these was mostly what I've been rocking with nonstop since since he's been out. These been my favorite earbuds. But we gonna try these out. These might take over the throne. So let me just go ahead and connect them real quick and try them out. All right, so we got the Galaxy S21 right here, and should have the quick pair feature. So we open these up, boom, there they go. Automatically recognize them. So go ahead and connect. Is that it? All right, here we go. Boom. The cool little animation going on right there. All right, they connected. Now it's time for the fit. Put these in real quick. All right, the first time putting these in, they feel okay. They feel a little looser than the Buds Plus, but they're in there. Don't feel like they're moving. They feel kind of like more similar to the Buds Live as for the fit, because if you let's take a quick look comparison real quick. They don't have, like, what's the major difference with the Buds Pro and the Buds Plus is they don't have those wingtips. So with the wingtips on the Buds Plus is like what really helps it like stays in your ears. So with the Buds Pro, they like it's pretty much nothing. Like there's nothing really that's helping keeping in your ears. So I can automatically feel like this feels a little more secure in my ears than the Buds Pro. I'm putting them in the wrong case. But it's in there. But I don't know if I mean, it's in there. But what I want to know is the sound. Does it sound better than the Buds Plus? So let me go ahead and turn on some music real quick. You know what? Let's play that. Let's play that new Kodak. See what they sound like. Sounding good so far. Waiting for that bass to drop. Okay. Whew. Okay, I heard enough. Hold on, wait. Let's see real quick. They do sound good. Hold on. Let me put the Buds Plus in real quick. I got them connected. I got the Buds Plus connected to the OnePlus. What is this? The 8T. Let me put these in real quick and see what it sounds like. Cause that was just hitting. All right, let's go back. Let's go back and put that. Let's put the same song back on. Let's put that new Kodak on. Turn me up. Turn it up a little bit. Oh, wait a minute. The Buds Pro got way more bass. Let me see something real quick. Let me check the settings. All right. Okay, the settings are different. Let's change the dynamic. All right, now that sounds way better now. All right, let's go back to the let's go back to the Buds Pro. Let's make sure the settings the same. Let's go to Wear app. All right, let's go to Wear app real quick. It's possibly might be an update for these too, cause I haven't even tried to set everything up. Oh, you already see right there's a new. Oh, this is for the watch. Let's do that later. Let's go to the. No, I'm in the wrong app. Wear. Galaxy Wearable. Am I tripping? Oh, there we go. It should have already added it to it. Let's go ahead and add Buds Pro. I thought it would have added it already, but maybe not. All right, we back now and everything is updated. I definitely did jump the gun real quick with the sound comparison. I was just way too excited and I wanted to see what they sound like. But yeah, everything is updated now. Let's just run through the app real quick. I mean, if you had used a pair of Galaxy Buds before, the app is pretty much the same. I mean, we do have a few new differences here. Let's close all of that. All right, so now we're talking about the seamless switching. It's what I was talking about, where you can just switch to different devices automatically. This feature is, like I said, it's only for Samsung devices, which is not cool. I mean, but it makes sense, but again, it's not cool, man. Let's not get into that right now. All right, so here goes the voice detect feature, where if you're listening to some music and someone's come talking to you, you don't have to take your earbuds out. You can just start speaking to them and it automatically reduces the sound and turn on ambient sound so you can hear what's going on out around you. So let's just turn that on. Probably gonna test that out in a full review. Block touches, we don't want to do that. The equalizer, I normally have it on dynamic. It's on normal right now and it sounds really good, but I'm gonna change it to dynamic just to get a fair comparison with the Galaxy Buds Plus, because that's normally how I always have all my buds set up to, is on dynamic. Okay, so in advanced settings we have the Bixby voice. So this is another thing that I'm not really feeling, that they limit the Galaxy Buds to only be used with Bixby. Like, they just need to kill Bixby, because Bixby is just trash. Like, I really don't like the fact that they're not able to make me use this with Google Voice. Not Google Voice, but just Google Assistant. Just limited it just to Bixby. It's a Samsung product. I mean, I get where they coming from with it, but yeah, I don't like that. Also, we have the 360 audio, which we were referencing earlier. All right, that's it. I mean, I don't think that's much else to look at in the app. Here go the ambient sound. So we just want to turn that on. I guess they want me to put the earbuds in my ears first before I turn that on. But I like to turn on the ambient sound. Noise canceling is on. Okay, so soon as I started talking, it automatically, you seen the switch to the ambient sound. Let's see if I stop talking and see what happens. Okay, so noise canceling is on, and then as soon as I started talking, it automatically turned on ambient sound. So it works pretty fast. That was really fast without me doing anything. And you can actually adjust the ambient sound right here. So let's do it in high. And I can hear myself pretty well. Like I said, I'll have to test this out in the full review. So if you want to see that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can make sure you know when that video drops. But yeah, it's actually working surprisingly well. And I'm just go back and switch it. It's on noise canceling out, and like literally as soon as I started talking, it automatically switched to ambient sound. But anyway, what I really want to do is test out that sound quality again, because that already sound good on normal. But I'm gonna run this track again and see what it sounds like, and see if it sounds any better than what it was on normal, because dynamic normally sounds better. Oh yeah, this sounds good. It's that new Kodak. My dog Kodak done jumped. All right. It ain't, like I said, it ain't no crazy bass, but it's like a complete sound. It's like it's well balanced. You got the lows, the highs, and the mids. It all sounds really balanced. Does it sound that much better than the Galaxy Buds Plus? I don't know. Let's try this again. Wrong track. Get me back to that Kodak. I don't know. It really sound the same. Buds Plus probably a little lower in the volume. All right, one more switch, and I'm done. I gotta, one more switch. I gotta see real quick. One more switch. Oh, these are way better. Dang it, there it goes, automatically switch to the ambient sound. Let me see if it's how long it's gonna take to switch back. It just switched back. All right, I think I've seen enough. I think I heard enough. These Buds Plus, these Buds Pro definitely sounds way better. They look way better. They fit good. I'm have to take some more time and really run through everything. So, you know, I'm gonna definitely put all that in the full review. But so far, I'm liking it. I mean, the only thing I really don't like is the fact that they limited all the new features to just Samsung phones, which it makes business sense. But for the consumers like me that switch phones all the time, man, it's not cool. But so far, I'm liking them. But that's gonna be it for this video. This is just my initial impressions of the Galaxy Buds Pro. But like I said, subscribe so you can make sure you get updated when the full review drop. But anyway, this was it for me. Thanks for watching. This is Joe. This was another Joe Tech Talk. I'm out.